yours is now a litany. Things I thought I'd never be. Man who has opinions on an ottoman, among other things. I used to think I'd missed the road, the crushing fame, the sold out shows. And I just sing head, shoulders, knees and toes like I'd forgotten them. But I'm alive, and baby, I'm thriving. Oh yeah, I'm living my best life. I wake up with the sunrise. It does not look a thing like I thought that it would, but I've been getting my steps in, and I sleep with my best friend. It's the best that it has been in a long time. I'm living my best life. Yeah, yeah, living my best life. Yeah. Sometimes this sucks to tell the truth, and I took it hard like people do, but I'm learning how to eat the fruit that is in season. Never thought I'd be a grown-ass man. But you know what they say, a best laid plans. Now I'm holding on to my daughter's hand. I've got a reason to be alive, and oh yeah, baby, I'm thriving. Yeah, yeah, I'm living my best life. I wake up with the sunrise. It does not look a thing like I thought that it would, but I've been getting my steps in, and I sleep with my best friend. It's the best that it has been in a long time. I'm living my best life. Yeah, living my best life. Yeah. Come on. I'm living my best life, the best that I can. No more worry or stress life, 'cause I'm done with it. I'm as light as can be, I'm as fresh as a breeze, right where I wanna be. So if you need to find me, I'll be living my best life. Waking up with the sunrise, looking at things like what the actual hell. But I've been counting my blessings, now I sleep with my best friend. It's the best that it has been for a long time. It's the best that it has been for a long time. I'm living my best life.